Good job. You want to do it again for the camera? Let's hang up your clothes. Let's hang up your clothes. Yeah. Yeah, can you roll? Oh, I know. It gets so frustrating, doesn't it? Can you do it? Can you roll? I just saw you. Yay, Hudson! Yay! Good job, baby! Yay! Good job! Mom is proud of you. Good job. Mwah. Good job.